Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we keep you updated with the coolest gadgets and cutting-edge tech from around the world. Today we're diving into the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro, a drone that's expected to push the limits of what a mini drone can do. The Mini series from DJI has always focused on portability, power, and simplicity. With the Mini 5 Pro, DJI is continuing that trend, but with some meaningful upgrades. The first thing that stands out is the design. It's expected to retain the under 250-gram weight limit, making it legal to fly in many countries without registration. That's a huge plus. But this time, DJI might use lighter materials and a more aerodynamic body to improve flight efficiency. The build quality should still feel premium and solid, with foldable arms and compact storage. One of the biggest upgrades we're looking forward to is the camera. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor. That's a big step up from the 1.3-inch sensor in the previous model. Larger sensor means better low-light performance, more detail, and richer dynamic range. The camera might also support 4000 video at 60 fps, or even 5.4K at 30 EFPs. That's pro-level footage in a drone that fits in your palm. There's also talk of a variable aperture lens. This feature would give drone pilots better control over exposure in different lighting conditions. Combined with HDR video and 10-bit color, content creators could get seriously cinematic results. DJI may also improve the image processing pipeline, which means cleaner, sharper footage with less noise. Stabilization is another area where DJI continues to shine. Expect the Mini 5 Pro to include an advanced 3-axis gimbal system, possibly refined for smoother footage in windy conditions. The gimbal might also offer a broader tilt range, allowing for more creative angles during shooting. In terms of performance, DJI is likely introducing a new flight controller system and upgraded ISCs. These components help make flight smoother and more responsive. The drone will likely support better obstacle avoidance with sensors on more sides of the drone. The Mini 5 Pro could feature omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which means it can detect and avoid objects from all directions. That's a huge safety improvement and makes it easier to fly in tight spots. The battery life is expected to get a slight bump. The Mini 4 Pro had around 34 minutes of flight time. The Mini 5 Pro might push that closer to 38 or even 40 minutes. Thanks to better battery efficiency and lighter construction, DJI might also offer a larger plus battery for extended flights, like they did before, although that version could take the drone over the 250 grams limit. When it comes to the remote controller, DJI may upgrade the RC2 with better range and a brighter screen. Or they might launch a new controller entirely, with a higher refresh rate display and better integration. With the DJI Fly app, the video transmission system is also expected to improve. QSync 4.0 is likely, offering higher resolution live feed, better range, and more stable connections. That means less lag and a clearer view of what your drone sees while flying. Software features are getting smarter too. DJI will likely include enhanced versions of Focus Track, Active Track, and Point of Interest. These features allow the drone to automatically follow subjects, orbit them, or keep them in frame without manual input. Expect improved subject recognition using AI. The Mini 5 Pro might even follow subjects more accurately in cluttered environments like forests or cities. For creators, DJI may introduce new QuickShots and MasterShots. These are pre-programmed flight paths that capture stunning cinematic sequences with just one tap. You'll probably see new additions that better suit social media formats like vertical video. On the safety side, the Mini 5 Pro will likely retain features like return to home, low battery warnings, and no-fly zone alerts. But we might also see enhancements in precision landing and improved takeoff stability. These tweaks make it easier and safer for beginners and pros alike. Now let's talk about pricing. DJI usually prices the Mini Pro models around $750 to $850 for the base package. The Mini 5 Pro could start at $799 and go up to $999 with the Fly More combo or the upgraded controller. Given the sensor upgrade, new features, and better flight tech, this pricing seems fair for what you're getting. The expected release date is around September or October 2025, based on DJI's usual product cycle. That puts it just in time. For the holiday season, and before the end of your travel rush. DJI tends to launch new models quietly with teaser videos followed by early hands-on content, so be ready for that rollout. In terms of pros, the Mini 5 Pro has a lot going for it. You're looking at an incredibly compact drone with serious performance. A larger sensor, better flight time, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and improved AI features make it more versatile and easier to use. Add in a smoother connection and better video transmission, and this drone will be perfect for solo creators, travelers, and professionals who want something lightweight. As for cons, there are a few things to consider. The price may still be high for beginners. Even though it's under 250 grams, the Plus battery will put it over the limit. And as features increase, so does complexity. Not everyone will need AI tracking or 10-bit video, but you're still paying for those upgrades. Still, the Mini 5 Pro looks like DJI's smartest mini drone yet. It blends portability with performance in a way that few others can match. Whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or a seasoned filmmaker capturing epic landscapes, the Mini 5 Pro offers the tools to do it all. DJI isn't reinventing the wheel with the Mini 5 Pro. Instead, it's polishing the edges and adding real power where it counts. It's proof that great things come in small packages, and if the leaks are true, this drone could lead the category. Once again, thanks for watching TapTech. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our full review when the DJI Mini 5 Pro officially drops. See you next time with more exciting tech.